So, as has been said, my name is Gera. I'm game designer of the Knife Games team. We have been working for several months on asymmetrical co-op two-player games, like roguelike style, where each player has different abilities and specific skills. The main mechanic is if first player dies, the game ends, and the second player can revive as much as he wants. But I suppose better would be short on the trailer. Let's move on. So, in one game, you can find graphic and gameplay elements inspired by such a game as Risk of Rain 2, Magica, and Hades. But mostly you see the gameplay styles of Risk of Rain 2. And as about Magica, it has different elements of combining the abilities for all of the players, which gives opportunities for experimentation. We want to achieve this goal as well too. As about gameplay, players must find and clear the three zones with void robots, red squares, as you can see on top right screen, and successfully return back to the portal where they started the game. Also, they have go through the locations with hostile entity, the void. You can see it in the purple squares. To successfully pass through the void zones, the second player have an ability to create shields that cover both players, while the first player performs the role of navigator by using a drone. Besides the asymmetrical gameplay, which already described earlier, our game also pays a lot of attention to the style of the world in sci-fi fantasy post-apocalyptic setting, and the relationship between the characters, whose difference cause conflicts between them, but circumstances require to cooperate them in order to survive. My work on the project was mostly focused on creating and assigning tasks for the team, as well as final product review at all stages of development. I also did some tasks in Unity, such as level design, sounds, and visual effects. Now I pass microphone to Liliia, our 2D artist.
Hi, my name is Lila and I'm responsible for 2D art. My primary objective was to design captivating characters and unique environments that would engage the player. Also, my work involved creating interfaces that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also intuitive and user-friendly. Thank you.
Now to the Serhii, our 3D artist.
Hi, I'm Sergey, and I made all the 3D art in the game. I made the characters and the enemies from Lilia's concepts, and most of the props made from scratch. I also rigged and applied animations and animated by hand some of the enemies. And yeah, we were making a game with low poly, kind of destroyed cyberpunk style, and that was my part. And I pass the mic. Thank you.
And Danylo, our programmer.
Hello everyone, I'm Danylo. So I created a network architecture for this game, an infinitely generated world that is unique every time when players advance a certain distance or start a new game. I also made an AI system for every type of enemy. in the game that allows them to have their own unique fighting style. Each hero has their own individual abilities necessary for the survival of the other hero. And to all this is added a system of post effects and music that enlivens the game and accompanies the player throughout the game. Thank you.
So when we started the game a couple months ago, our goal was mostly part to gain experience while creating a game in an unusual genre. But after a while, it turned out that we also wanted to explore and finish this story of the world with Void. Thank you for your attention.